Hey there, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina, and today I'm going to be talking about Thai grilled chicken, which is also known as Gai Yang. Now, this recipe can be made just on the grill as you normally would grill chicken, so you can use my marinade and just cook it that way. But I like to pre-cook the chicken in the Instant Pot. It gets nice and tender, and then I just put it on the grill for a few minutes just to get those grill marks. These are the ingredients you're going to need. 6 bone-in chicken thighs. You can also use chicken drumsticks. 1 tablespoon of Thai black soy sauce, or you can also use kecap manis, which is an Indonesian condiment similar to Thai black soy sauce. And it's kind of a combination of molasses and soy sauce, making it salty and sweet. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of just regular soy sauce. Some of these ingredients can be a little confusing, so I'll go ahead and put a link to the products in the notes. 1 tablespoon of Thai sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro stems, packed, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. You can also use thinly sliced green onions and cilantro leaves to garnish. Let's make the marinade. Combine the fish sauce, soy sauce, black soy sauce or kecap manis, lime juice, lemon juice, brown sugar, garlic, white pepper, and cilantro stems. Mix everything together until the paste is smooth. And at this point now we're ready to marinate the chicken. If you can keep the chicken for a few hours to overnight, you'll get that much more flavor. Now at this point you actually could just grill the chicken directly using your method of grilling chicken, but I like to cook the chicken in the Instant Pot and then just put it on the grill just for a couple of minutes just to get those grill marks. And this is great for when you want to prep for company. You can just kind of pre-cook the chicken and then just put it on the grill when you're ready to eat. So that just saves some time, especially because this chicken has the bone in. It would have taken a little bit longer to cook on the grill. Now we're ready to pressure cook the chicken. I like to pressure cook for 9 minutes and do a quick release of pressure. Now remove the chicken from the sauce. And now we're ready to grill the chicken. I like to grill the chicken for just a couple of minutes until you get those grill marks on either side. Now the sauce that's in the Instant Pot can be reduced in sauté mode until it's thickened. You can even add some cornstarch to make it nice and thick. And once we're done grilling the chicken, you can remove it to a serving platter and use that sauce to baste the chicken if you wish. You may not even need that, but it just gives it a little more flavor. I like to garnish the chicken with cilantro. You can also use sliced green onions. And your chicken is ready. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. It is a favorite at my house.